Hi, this is Marissa from Attio. In this video, we'll look at how to create views to quickly access key information for your daily workflows. Views work in both objects and lists, giving you different ways to display records and list entries in Attio. You can choose from table views, which are available for all objects and lists, and Kanban boards, which are available for any object or list with at least one status type attribute. If you have multiple status type attributes, you'll be able to choose which one to use as your Kanban columns. For example, here in Deals, I have set up the Kanban as my default view. Each column represents a stage in the pipeline, and you can hide or show specific stages through view settings and visible stages. Views let you control exactly which attributes appear. So you can pull attributes from the object or the list that you're viewing, like Deals, and any associated objects like companies or people. For example, in a deals view for my new leads, I might add in the priority level, which is a custom attribute on the deal, as well as employee range and ICP status, which are attributes from the related company. Together, these help me decide how to prioritize my leads. You can sort by any attribute in ascending or descending order, and filtering lets you display only the records that are relevant for the particular task at hand. So reps might filter by deal owner to see their own pipeline. Managers might filter by team to track their whole team's performance. And you might want to add in a deal value filter to highlight enterprise opportunities. Let's build a filter together. First, I'll set the team to US sales. So now I'm looking at all of their deals, but I only want to see the ones that are in meeting, proposal, or negotiation stages. So to do that, I will switch to an advanced filter and group those stages together. So this way, the filter is saying, show me deals that belong to the US sales team and are in one of these three stages. When you add or remove attributes, those changes are saved automatically, but when you sort or filter, you'll see a Save View button appear. Here I've saved that new view as US late stage deals. You can also duplicate a view or start a new one from scratch. Let's build a table view this time to spot upsell opportunities with PQLs. So first I'll add the filters. I've got associated deals are empty and the plan is plus. And next I'll make sure I'm surfacing the right attributes. Things like billed users, active users, the current plan, plus company details like name and location. And finally, I'll sort by the billed users in descending order. Since our Pro plan has additional permissions designed for teams with more than 5 users, this view makes it easy for me to see which customers are strong candidates for an upsell. If it's a view that you'll use often, you should mark it as a favorite, and this will pin it to your sidebar for one-click access. And that's how views work in Attio, by customizing filters, attributes, and layouts, and saving the ones that you need most. You can surface exactly the data that you care about and keep it at your fingertips.